Miss Breanna, the Sprouts teacher here at the well. So today we're going to attempt to make a volcano erupt. For this experiment, all you need is baking soda, dish soap, some vinegar, food coloring, and a cup. Now this does have the potential to get messy, so you may want to take this one outside or your bathtub for easy cleanup. Now to start, you're going to pour your baking soda and dish soap in a cup. We've already added our dish soap, so we're going to go ahead and pour that baking soda in. Don't worry if a little spills out. We got plenty to go. Next, you're going to add a little food coloring just for some added effect. Now the next step is going to cause your reaction, so be careful. Whenever you're ready, you're going to pour your vinegar into the cup and watch as your volcano erupts. You can extend this experiment by changing up your measurements, maybe add less baking soda, more vinegar, or change it all around and see what happens. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye guys, be well.